Let's go ahead and look at one of these examples so that we can use the formulas we just talked about. We're going to invest $1,000 at an interest rate of 10%, compounded monthly for a total of 1 year. And we want to know how much money we're going to have at the end of that 1 year period. So let's go ahead and identify the pieces that we have in our problem. We're going to be investing $1,000. So our value for P is 1,000. Our interest rate is 10%, and we want to make sure we write that as a decimal. 10% written as a decimal is 0.10. In this problem, we talked about compounding periods. It's going to happen monthly, so our end value is going to be 12. And our last piece is going to be for time. We're making this investment for a total of 1 calendar year. So let's go get our formula so we can get started on this problem. In our problem, we're going to be using the compound interest formula. And I went ahead and plugged all of our values in to our equation. Now, this looks pretty complicated, so my advice to you would be to go ahead and simplify a couple pieces instead of trying to do this problem all at once in your calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify my exponent, and I'm probably also going to do this fraction that's inside the set of parentheses. Keep in mind we're working with money here, so our final answer could be dollars and cents. We'll go ahead and go to the nearest penny. While you're working through your problem, you probably want to take some of these decimals out to quite a few digits just while you're working with the problem, and then you can do your rounding all the way at the end. Notice that I left a lot of digits after my decimal point when I was working with that fraction inside my set of parentheses. Let's go ahead and calculate this one out. In this problem, our final dollar amount in the bank is going to be $1,104.71. What happens if they would have asked you how much money you earned in interest after doing this problem? Good, correct. We want to take our final dollar amount and subtract how much we initially invested. We initially invested $1,000. So we earned $104.71 worth of interest during this year.